Hi students, welcome to Social Studies class. Our lesson name is Northern Mountains. Okay, already in previous class we learnt what is the meaning of Northern Mountain. Yes, Northern Mountain, it is located, they are located in the north, yes, north direction of India. Next, what are located? Four directions of India: east side Bay of Bengal, west side Arabian Sea, south side Indian Ocean, north side Himalayas. Yes, that is what our topic. Northern mountains include Himalayan mountains and Karakoram ranges we call Northern mountains. Himalayas. What is the meaning of Himalaya? The abode of snow. The abode of snow. It means a place of full of ice. A place of full of ice. Next, Himalayan ranges are divided into three parallel ranges. They are the Greater Himalayas, the Lesser Himalayas and the Outer Himalayas. Already we discussed about the Greater Himalayas. In another way, Himadri. The Greater Himalayas are called Himadri also. Yes. Next topic, Lesser Himalayas. The middle or the lesser or Himachal. Yes, how many names? Three names. The middle or the lesser Himalayas or Himachal ranges also. Himachal. The greater Himalayas are called Himadri. The lesser Himalayas are called Himachal. Okay. In this class, let us learn, let us discuss about lesser Himalayas, the middle Himalayas, the lesser Himalayas or the Himachal ranges. Three names are there. Yes, clear? Now, firstly, let us know its location. Let us know its location. Where is it located? Where are lesser Himalayas located? Already, if this is Jammu Kashmir, already we discussed, along with the boundary line of India, Himalayas are located. Yes. How many parts? 1, 2, yes, 3. For suppose I am drawing here. Where are Himalayas, lesser Himalayas located? This is Greater Himalayas location. Greater. These are lesser. These are outer Himalayas. Then try to say your own children. Where are lesser Himalayas? We can say the between of, yes, the between of Greater Himalayas and Outer Himalayas. Outer Himalayas also we say in another words Shaivaliks. Yes, already you know very well Shaivaliks. Greater Himalayas are called Himadri. Yes. Between of these two ranges, lesser or Himachal or the middle Himalayas are located. Yes. Are you understanding? Greater Himalayas and outer Himalayas between lesser Himalayas are located. In another way, Himadri, between of Himadri ranges and Shaivalix lesser Himalayas are located. Himachal ranges are located. Okay. Already we discussed about location. Next let us move to its length. Its length. Here this is the length and this is the width, this is the length. Himachal ranges or lesser Himalayas width is averagely 3700 meters. 3700 meters to 4500 meters. 3700 meters to 4500 meters. Yes children, here let us compare with Greater Himalayas. Okay, when we see about Greater Himalayas, their width and their length also given in kilometers. Yes, given in kilometers. But when we talk about Himachal ranges, just they are in meters. Yes, 3700 meters to 4500 meters. So that we can understand Greater Himalayas are having very big ranges. Okay. Next, width. Width is about 80 kilometers. What is the width of lesser Himalayas? What is the width of Himachal ranges? In another way, how can we ask what is the width of the middle Himalayas? 80 kilometers. Already I said these Himachal ranges or lesser Himalayas are lower than Himadri range. What is Himadri range? Greater Himalayas. So this is the region lower than Himadri. Yes, Greater Himalayas are very greater than Himachal ranges. Next, in this region, what is the meaning of region children? Area. In this region, there are beautiful valleys. There are beautiful valleys. What is the meaning of valley? Valley means the deepest place. Okay. For example, if this is a mountain and beside of that, if there is one more mountain, between the deepest place is called, if this is a mountain and one more mountain is here, this is called valley. Yes, V-shape valley. Yes, V-shape valley. There are so many beautiful valleys between of two mountains. The place which is deepest place is here, right? This deepest place is called valley. Yes, you know very well. In this region, lesser Himalayas region, there are so many beautiful valleys. Some names are given here: Chamba, Kullu and Kangra. Okay, Chamba, Kullu and Kangra. These are beautiful valleys. Okay, valleys means when we go there, total greenish area, total plants, big trees, beautiful mountains which are covered with greenery. Okay, which are covered with greenery. So how beautiful it looks, right? So beautiful valleys. When we go there, full covered, all the mountains, all the areas covered with greenery plants. Okay. So next, hill stations. Hill stations like Shimla. One specialty is there, Shimla. Shimla is also capital of Himachal Pradesh. What is Himachal Pradesh? It is a state. It is one of Indian states. How many states are there in India? 28 states are there. How many states? 28 states. How many union territories are there? 9 union territories are there. So, Shimla is the capital for Himachal Pradesh. What is the capital of Telangana? Yes, Hyderabad. Next, what are the hill stations? Shimla, Mussoorie, Nainital, Almora and Darjeeling. These are very good hill stations. Hill stations means they locate at hills. Okay, they locate at hills. If a place located at hills, what are the comforts we will have, children? When we come hills to mountains to down, temperature will increase. Temperature will increase. So here we get warm. Here we get warm. When we go low altitude, this is called low altitude. What is altitude? It is a place. If we move low altitude, high altitudes, temperature will decreases. Temperature will decrease. So that on hill stations or on mountains, we feel very cool. Temperature is very cool. Climate is very cool. Yes, that is what happens when we go to hill stations. Okay. There are so many beautiful valleys in this region. At the same time, so many hill stations are there. These are very good hill stations. Okay, famous hill stations in our India. People visits these places. Okay, people visits these hill stations. Shimla, Mussoorie, Nainital, Almora, Darjeeling. Like these hill stations, people are visiting to escape the summer. If we observe in our surroundings, okay, in our state, in summers are very hot. Sometimes we feel very uncomfort because of very sunny days, very warm. Some rich people and who have good money, who blessed with good money, that people go to hill stations in summer season. Why? In summer season also, these hill stations remains very cool. Why? It is located at high altitudes on mountains. Okay. Next, mountain passes. Mountain passes like Rohtang and Zojila of Himachal Pradesh. Okay, mountain passes. What is the mountain passes? Nothing but like valley. Between the two mountains, okay, this is the place called mountain passes. Okay, mountain pass it is called. so many mountain passes like Rohtang, it is one mountain pass, and Zojila of Himachal Pradesh. This is also one mountain pass place. Okay. At the same time, in this region, there are very thick forests. There are very thick forests. In that forest, pine trees, oak trees, deodar trees and fir trees. When we go to lesser Himalayas area, we can see there lot of these trees, number of pine trees, number of oak trees, number of deodar trees and number of fir trees. It means majority trees are these given trees. Okay. Next, already we discussed in the matter of greater Himalayas, farming is not possible. Farming or cultivation is not possible. What is farming? What is cultivation? Just to grow plants. It is called cultivation or farming. Yes, example, farmers are cultivating paddy crops. Yes, and wheat crops and mirchi crops, green mirchi. Okay. Next, millets, maize, so many crops are growing. It means it is cultivating, farming. But in this region, in greater Himalayas area, farming impossible. Here, this is the region which is suitable for cultivation. Suitable for cultivation. There are so many facilities which are favor to the cultivation. Okay. Next, already we discussed here, winter season cold. There is a difference between cool and cold, children. Okay. Cold means very high cooling. Okay. Cool means normal, comfortable temperature. Okay. It is called cool. Cold means very high cooling. Okay. Defreeze we tell, right? Defreeze. Cold. In winter season, weather is cold and summers are cool and pleasant. Pleasant means very comfortable. Very comfortable. So that in summers, so many people visit these hill stations. Why? They are very they are normal, cool and very comfortable, pleasant. Okay. It is very suitable for cultivating. Next, lower slopes. Lower slopes means, what is slope, children? This is slope, right? If this is a mountain, this is slope. This is slope, right? At lower slopes, orchards. Okay. What is orchards? Orchards means gardens, fruits, garden of fruits, garden of the fruits. We can see there. Okay. When we go to lesser Himalayas region, so many orchards we can face there. Okay. We can see so many orchards, the gardens of fruits. Orchard means nothing but garden. Which garden? Fruits garden. Okay. Next, tea plantation are found in the eastern part. For example, if this is Jammu Kashmir, okay, this is Arunachal Pradesh side. Here Jammu Kashmir to Arunachal Pradesh, Himalayas are located. This is called western part. West to east. They go west to east side. Himalayan ranges stretches from Jammu Kashmir to Arunachal Pradesh. Already we discussed, right? So this is eastern part, we say. This is western part. Himalayas are stretching from west to east side. When we go to eastern part of the Lesser Himalayas region, what children? When we go to eastern part of the Lesser Himalayas region area, we can find that tea plantation. Okay, tea plantation. In the eastern part, Arunachal Pradesh, this side, Arunachal Pradesh to west side. Here we can see Assam, right? Here one GK question is available. Which is the maximum tea producing state in India? Which is the maximum tea producing state in India? Nothing but Assam. It is Assam, children. So in Lesser Himalayas region, eastern part, okay, eastern part, tea plantation, okay, tea plantation we can see. Already we have GK question, which is the maximum tea producing state in India. Which state? Assam state. Okay. So all this is about Lesser Himalaya, children. Okay. Where is located? Between of Himadri and Siwaliks, Himachal ranges are located. Average height of the Himalayas, Lesser Himalayas, 3,700 meters to 4,500 meters. Width is 80 kilometers. Width is 80 kilometers. These ranges are lower than Himadri, lower than Greater Himalayas. Yes. Next, beautiful valleys are there. Beautiful valleys are there like Chamba, Kulu and Kangra. Next, so many hill stations are there. Shimla, like Shimla, Mussoorie, Nainital, Almora and Darjeeling. Okay. So many peoples like to visit these places, especially in summer seasons. Next, mountain passes like Rohtang and Zojila of Himachal Pradesh. Also here. Next, thick forests with which plants, children? Pine, oak, deodar and fir trees. Next, this region is very suitable for cultivation. At the same time, winter weather is very cold. In summer, it is cool and pleasant. Next, some orchards, gardens we can find here. In the eastern part of Lesser Himalayas, we can see there plantation. Which plantation? Tea plantation. So that Assam is the maximum tea producing state in India. Okay, children, just in your textbook, just read lesson one time so that you can learn or you can know some more things. Okay, children, thank you.